Alrighty folks, it's gonna be my last Kawasaki demo ride. Taking the Z900RS. Beautiful little retro standard bike. Feel a little bit of power. I've been riding the 500s and 650s all day. So we're gonna see what that 900 is hitting like. Ho ho ho, yes. Oh man, that stock pipe is nasty. This is gonna be a fun one right here. That Z650RS is my favorite bike that I've ridden yet here, so this one's just gonna be a little bit faster. Sound even better for sure. It's basically the same bike as that Z650RS, but with the 900.
Thumbs up when y'all ready.
This thing is so easy to ride, man. Oh wow, that sounds good. Oh yes, not the Cybertruck. Wow, this thing, I mean, you literally tap the gear lever and it goes into the gear. Real easy to find neutral on too, but yeah, it takes no input to put this thing into gear. Oh yeah, that's some good power. Oh man. The backfires on the D-cell out of the 900. Yeah, man, this 900 sounds beautiful, and it has more than enough power. Got no problem leaning over. Oh, that sounds so good. But if you've seen my Z650 video, like I said before, this is that with a big badass 900 in it, and I am absolutely loving it already. This thing is super comfortable. Engine and transmission are absolutely fire on all these Kawasaki's. Oh. Wow, that sounds good. I don't know if I would even bother putting a slip-on this thing. It sounds so mean with the stock exhaust. Oh, that's wild. Takes just the lightest blip of the throttle to rev match it. Leans over beautifully. She is happy to lean over through that turn. Oh yeah, I could definitely see myself owning one of these. If I decided I wanted something with more power than the 650 offers, oh yeah, this would probably have to be the one. Feels smooth going over bumpy parts of the road. I mean, you barely gotta touch the throttle to blip it for that rev match. It's so smooth. Oh man, this sounds so good. Oh man. Yeah, I could see that being real addicting. But yeah, man, this 900 is money. Good job, Kawasaki. That's all I can even say. I don't know how much horsepower or anything this bike makes. If you're interested in the details, I'll have the link in the description for you. Oh man, downshifts are money. Got plenty of power, man. This thing is nasty. But it's easy enough to ride in the low RPMs as well that you can just ride it around town, ride it to work, take it on some back roads. It's obviously not much of a highway bike. It's definitely got more than enough power for it, but it's an old retro sporty kind of bike. Oh man. I almost wonder if this exhaust is like a factory upgrade. Cause it sounds mean. Oh wow. That shift sounded so good. I hope y'all hear that the way I heard it. Oh my goodness. This thing is nasty. Oh wow. Yeah, I am glad I decided to take the 900 out for my last bike of the day. I mean, this is just nasty. The sound that comes out of this thing and the power, Oh yeah, I could definitely see myself ripping some back roads on this bad boy. Yeah, man. A different set of grips on it and call it a day. Maybe a slip-on. Oh, that sounds so good. That is crazy. Oh man, engine braking is serious on this thing. That sounds so good. I mean, wow. I knew these things sounded good. I've heard them on video and stuff. I don't know for sure if I've heard one in person, but man, this thing is nasty. Wow. That's all I can even say. Just wow. Just like the Z650RS, but a little bit heavier and obviously a lot faster. So it does well at freeway speeds. Obviously it's a naked bike, so you got no fairings or anything. You're gonna be getting smacked by the wind a little bit, but she'll happily do freeway speeds. Man, the sound that comes out of this thing is just unbelievable. Ooh, Ninja 1000 SX, that's a bad bitch. I mean, I just can't believe how good this thing sounds with the factory pipe. That is insane. Oh, now I wish I would have ridden another 900 today, man. Dang. I don't want to get this thing back. This boy is nasty. Oh my goodness. I mean, if you don't like the way this thing sounds, you might be kind of crazy. That's just nasty. I don't know what else to say, except I'm gonna need me one. Oh yeah. Yeah, you better hold on when you pull that throttle on this thing. So glad the rain held off today. It was looking like there was a chance that it would rain, but we were blessed enough that the rain held off and there was really not even a full group of people for these rides today. So it was just one group the whole time and we just got to ride back to back all day. Yeah, I'm gonna need me one, man. I gotta see about demoing some Yamahas at some point and see how those compare. Because I know people love the MT-07 and the MT-09, but I haven't gotten my hands on one of those bad boys yet. And without that, I mean, I would happily go buy Kawasaki Z650RS or 900RS. I mean, that is insane. Oh my. This sounds so good. I mean, wow. I just can't get enough of the way this thing sounds. That is insane. And it looks so good. Fits me perfectly at 6'2", 280. I could definitely see myself riding this all day. Obviously with a few breaks here and there, but oh. Yeah, I'm gonna need it. I'm gonna need me one. Y'all are probably gonna hear me say that about a lot of bikes, but I mean, this thing is just nasty. It is extremely comfortable, and I mean, it's got more power than you'll really ever need. Oh man. Oh wow. I wish we could just go redo the route or have taken a twice as long route, because this thing is wicked. Feel that and hear it one more time before we get back. Oh, sorry if I didn't have too much to say about this bike, man. All I can say is wow, it's so good. I mean, even down low, it's got plenty of torque. Yeah, I'm in love with this one, man. Alrighty, folks, that's the Z900RS. Yeah, that's a bad little bitch. If you're interested, highly recommend it. Highly recommend that. That's a badass bike, y'all. Appreciate you watching. Y'all have a good one.